Sa unang pagkakataon,
Magaganap ang pinakamalaking sound showdown sa buong Panay.
ng malalakas at pinalakas na mga sound system.
This is the first time in history in sound industry.
In cooperation with
United Sound Owners in Panay Island.
Municipality of Oton and barangay officials of Pulo Maestra Vita, Oton, Iloilo.
Presenting the biggest, loudest
electrifying sound system in Panay Island.
Hala, bira, Iloilo. Hala kay Senyor Santueño. Ang tradisyon ng mga Ilonggo. The Dinagyang Sound Expo 2026.
With the theme, The Battle of the Sounds,
Where legends are born.
where every beat matters.
Mark your calendars on January 25, 2026.
At Vista Mall, Oton, Barangay Pulo Maestra Vita, Oton, Iloilo, with the following mobile entries. Dinagyang Sound Expo.
Magnetic Disco Mobile.
Red Disco Mobile.
D Brothers Audio Classic.
Akira Audio Profile.
JM Audio Tech.
JLM Disco Mobile.
Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile.
Womanizer Disco Mobile.
CLG Disco Mobile.
Alexander Disco Mobile.
L's Beat Sonic Sound System.
3KM Lights and Sound.
JMK Audio Classic.
Bassi Audio.
C-Star Entertainment Concept.
Makbakan Audio Classic.
Star Audio Tech.
DDBC Audio Classic.
BDA Pro Audio.
Inday Team Disco Mobile.
Dive Tech Pro Audio.
Simanal Soundtrack.
Stanley Pro Audio.
The Plaza Audio Classic. JPP Audio Classic.
Carnival Soundtrack.
Ocean Star Disco Mobile.
Big Daddy Disco Mobile.
Agnes Disco Mobile.
Zap Disco Mobile.
RKM Disco Mobile.
QLS Disco Mobile.
Y Splash Disco Mobile.
7C's Disco Mobile.
Five Brothers Audio Classic.
Sam Disco Mobile.
RC Kabangal Disco Mobile.
Gold Rush Disco Mobile.
Prince Fion Disco Mobile.
Borin Disco Mobile.
Hezekiah Audio Classic.
Crown Mega Mix.
Dinagyang's Disco Mobile. With special guest from Bohol.
L-Star Disco.
L-Star Disco Mobile. And the official sound system. Dive Tech Pro Audio.
With 36 sub setup. Official DJs.
DJ Racer of Power Beats Club. And here, John Luntao of Soundtrap Music Production.
Official MCs.
DJ Dave Johnson. And DJ King Fortuna. Ini ang halad kay Senyor Santueño. Viva Senyor Santueño! Kaghalabira! Palagabong kita!
See you guys. Special thanks to the following: